Hey everybody, this is Suburban Sasquatch. Nature has taken me a lot of beautiful places lately, and I really appreciate being out there, but I would really like to make
You
even better
ready?
videos for my
Ready,
audience.
little
I feel
Sasquatch?
like the equipment that I'm working with is kind of limited in the angles and approaches that I can make in the different scenes, and I've been to
Woo!
many wonderful places, and I would like to get a much better video for my audience. But I need your help in raising some funds for a drone. So that way I can actually make the
Somewhat.
quality of videos that you guys deserve.
Ooh, that is a good idea. Yeah. Yeah, but I feel like we could munch on the popcorn.
Dad, look at my
So if you
dad's.
enjoy my content and you'd like
It's
to support my
dancing. My
channel,
dog's dancing.
please go to the GoFundMe link provided in the description below.